Hello everyone, here is Hel from Conscious Rebhell, and today I'm going to show you how to make an amazing creamy drunk mushroom risotto. Let's see how to make it. First of all, place your dry mushroom inside a bowl with some water and leave it to rest for about half an hour. Just remember not to throw away the water because it's gonna be used for the cooking of the rice. While you're waiting for the mushroom to be ready, you can just cut your onion in tiny pieces, so just chop it in tiny pieces. And put it on the side, ready for later. Then place a couple of spoons of oil in a pan and switch on at a low-medium temperature. When the oil is going to be hot, you can drop inside the onions. After about 5 minutes, you can drop inside your rice and just stir well. You will need to toast the rice inside the pan. Get your mushroom from the water, just squeeze them a bit, put them on the chopping board and just chop them. They don't have to be tiny, it has to be just a rough chop. After about 5 minutes that the rice is toasting inside the pan together with the onions, you can drop inside mushrooms. High the flame just a tiny bit, bring it to a medium flame and add the water from the mushrooms. Once the water from the mushroom is gone, you can add the white wine. Lower the flame to a low stir and just let it cook until the wine is completely gone. When the wine is gonna be gone, you can add the vegetable broth, keep on stirring and keep on tasting it until the rice is gonna be soft. It means that the rice, it will be ready. There we will have the last step of this recipe. It will take about 20 minutes depending on the type of rice that you decided to use. Now that the wine is gone, you can start to add or the vegetable broth or the water, like me, tiny bit at a time. And I'm using my vegetable broth. Always on a low flame and just keep on stirring. Every time the water will dry, you can add a tiny bit more and keep on tasting the rice. When it is soft, it is ready. Okay, when you are towards the end of the cooking, so the water is evaporating and the rice starts to be quite tender but still not there, you can add hot milk, and you can find the recipe even for this one at the top of the screen. The parsley. I'm gonna use dry parsley because I don't have fresh parsley unfortunately now, but if you have fresh parsley, of course use that because it's gonna be so much better. High a little bit the flame, just on a medium flame. Keep on stirring until the water is gonna be completely gone and the milk is gonna be still there, but just to give a hint of creamy texture to the rice. There we go. After a few minutes, as you can see, it's not liquid anymore as before, it's just creamy and it looks great. So now we can put it in a plate and top it up with some of my vegan parmesan. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know if you have any other idea or any other things that you would like to see on this channel. I have an Instagram profile too and Facebook one too. So if you'd like to follow me over there on Instagram, I give a little bit more hints about my life so you can see a bit more. Please subscribe even to TV Studio UK channel that I will leave the link down below. He's my husband and he's the one that is filming every single time.
Thank you very much for me.
And I will see you in the next video. Bye.